Just a quick video on the ARK, ARK Splash Guards. I didn't have splash guards on the front of the pickup, and so I was getting a lot of mud, a lot of little stones and stuff. As you can see, like on my sliders here, there's a buildup of a little bit of mud and stuff on the sliders. So I decided I would go ahead and install a set of these ARK, A-R-K, mud guards, or splash guards is what they call them. Give you an idea of how much they stick out. They stick out a pretty good amount, and so they should protect the side of the pickup a lot better. I'm running 35s. I believe this is a 2.5-inch lift on my 2016 Toyota Tundra. And those flat Allen heads there, that's what they supply to go in where the factory screws did from the factory mud guards. You can see one back over in the corner over there as well. But I will show you on the other side. Haven't installed the other side, so I'll show you on the other side actually how I installed them, how easy they were to install. But there's another view down the side of the coverage that I'm getting. So I think these will make a nice addition. Keep the side of the pickup, keep it a little cleaner, keep the rocks off of it. So let me know if you guys have any questions. So here's the other side. Again, this is 2016 Toyota Tundra. These were where the factory bolts went in. You can see those four. Then you got the one back here that you need to do, and then I'll have to drill 2 holes here. But basically what I've been doing is, let me back this out a little bit. Basically what I've been doing is, because my mud guards have been off for a while, and as you can see, it gets, my stuff gets pretty dirty. The running board, or the sliders, get pretty dirty. Up the side of the car gets pretty dirty when we're out overlanding. So basically what I'm doing is just taking a smaller Allen wrench and just cleaning these out so that the bolts will fit up in here. But just trying to get these holes all cleaned out. Again, it takes a little bit of effort sometimes because there's a lot of mud packed in there. But yeah, just doing this, and I'll show you. We'll get the bolts started in there, and then very easy. But I love how thin these are. They're very contoured. I've got 35s on my Tundra. You can see there's been the previous owner did do a chop on the deal there and re-welded a plate on, just cut it across. I kind of wish he'd done a little bit more, but he didn't. So because I'm planning on going with 37s here as soon as these wear out. So anyway, I'll show you. I'll get a couple bolts installed and show you what that's like. All right, so once you get it started, it takes a little pressure. Again, it takes a little bit of, there's dirt and stuff in there. So I just run it in before. I'm going to run in each bolt before I put the actual splash guard on. Just make sure everything's good. Make sure it's cleaned out. Run it in, and then I'll run it back out, and then that way it's easier to, when I do get the splash guard up there, I'm not fighting it. So I'm going to go do that. I'm going to do that on these next couple holes. I'll put the camera down so I can get that done real quick, and then I'll show you after when I'm mounting this splash guard. All right, so I've got the 3 bolts in. Hopefully you can kind of see those. Just kind of putting in the final one here. I'll have to turn the tire here real quick, and I will turn the tire. I still got this one to do back here, and I may not drill holes in these and see how these do, because I really don't want to drill a hole in here if I don't have to. But guess it would sit flatter. I mean, if you do that, and it sits quite a bit flatter. So anyway, I think this is a great product. I may have to trim this one up just a little bit just to kind of get it. I believe the other side fit a lot better right here, so I may have to just kind of come in here a little bit more and notch that out just so that it sits back a little further. I'll kind of play with it and see how much clearance I have. Okay, so here's the passenger side all installed. You can kind of see as it goes up. Right now I don't think I'm going to put a drill holes in here. I want to kind of see what happens. They're laying pretty flat, and this really kind of tucks back under. Again, I might, just depending on if I get some rubbing, I might kind of come up here a little bit, just kind of take a knife and see if I can't cut this. It's pretty thick, but I should be able to cut it if I need to. So you can kind of see here, kind of see right here where it's kind of, you know, a little lower. So I might bring it up here like this and up, but anyway, should be good.